this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. I'm going to show you how to put a worm on a hook. Got the little guy here. And he's a little guy, but we're going to make the most of it and get him onto this hook here. First thing I'm going to show you is these glasses. I'll put a link to these. They are amazing. They are Polaroid, so you can see into the water for fishing, and they've got a little magnifier bit on here, so it makes everything bigger when you're putting hooks on and all that sort of stuff. I'll put a link in the description. So, a worm. What you want actually is lots of the bits of the worm sticking out, so he's appealing and so he can wiggle a bit. So, up close like that, you actually stab him right through, press it right through over the barb, and I've got a bit hanging out like that. This hook should actually have quite a few worms on it. This one isn't enough. Put him on like that. That's the sort of thing you're after. See, that's very attractive to the fish. Then we get another worm. And the other thing I want to show you is that you must cover the point of the hook. You absolutely have to cover it. So you can actually stick that in like that. A sharp hook makes this really easy. And stick it up. You getting that? Like that. So what is actually, this squirmy worm here is actually the point of your hook. So the bit the fish is going to go, oh, you beauty, and jump onto is actually your hook. Now you would normally want to cover all of that. Today we're extremely povo because we're out of worms, but you get the idea. So you would normally, you do want bits sticking out like this, and you do want to cover as much of that as you can. So we're going to put that in the water and see if we can't catch ourselves a fish. Good luck when you have a go.